guys and dolls, and welcome into another video. My name is Jason and today we are going to be analysing the stock, ticker symbol UAMY, which is for United States Antimony Corp. Now guys, this stock was brought to my attention by you guys in the comments because I have had quite a few people recently write to me in the comments, please do a video on UAMY. So this is the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Please, as always, if I ask just to smash that like button, and if you find value at any point, consider hitting that red subscribe button below and join this family of investors here on YouTube. Now the markets are again in a bit of a temperamental state, so we have seen a lot of selling. UAMY actually did reach highs of about $2.50 before it has completely sold off, guys, over 50% of its value, and it has retraced all the way back down to $1.10 at the time I'm making this video, which is on March 9th. Now we are going to go a little bit more in depth than obviously just diving into the charts. First, I want to talk to you guys about what UAMY is, so we're going to go over onto their website in order to do that. So on the website we can see that United States Antimony Corporation is a rapidly growing natural resource company that is increasing its raw materials supply of antimony from properties in Mexico and third parties around the world. USAC has produced various antimony products since 1969 and is a fully integrated mining, transportation, milling, smeltering and selling company. At this point in the video you might be wondering what antimony is. Don't worry, I will get to that. It does say here that USAC operates the only significant antimony smelter in the United States and is in a sold out condition. So guys, this is really a key word to note right now, that there is a big increase in demand for this product and they are in a sold out state. The company has proven experience in underground and open pit mining, flotation and gravimetric milling, crushing and screening, and obviously I'm not going to read the rest, lots of other stuff. Basically they're a mining company and they're based in Montana. They do have 3 mills in Mexico, and I think one of these places that they have actually got locked up is in a natural state of wonder, so they are not allowed to actually or permit mining in it, although it does, from what I've been reading, contain a lot of raw materials. I think that's the one that is in Montana. So if you want more information, again, come on to the US antimony.com website and you'll be able to find out a lot here. Before we do leave their website though, I do want to point out that it says that they have 2 of the 3 operating antimony smelters in North Central America, so that's a pretty big deal. And it says that we are the major domestic producer of antimony products, so that is quite exciting, guys. So if there is actually a total addressable market of this and it is going to be large, then these guys are going to be who you're going to want to put your money on, because they're saying that they have 2 of the largest resources available to mine in North America, and they are one of the world leaders in this growth product. So that is quite a big step in the right direction for this company. So that is just a few things I wanted to point out on their website. Now, upon further research at what this antimony does, I typed into Google what is antimony, and it says, for starters, we have a definition of what antimony is and how it plays into electric vehicles. Antimony is one of the leading alloys used in the production of batteries. Seeing as zeolite is one of the primary ingredients in electrical vehicle batteries, UAMY has seen greater attention in the past 6 months, which would explain exactly why we have had this big run up in the share price before obviously we did have that immediate sharp sell-off due to the fact that the market has declined and there is a lot of repositioning right now out of those growth stocks, and people are taking the money out of tech obviously and these high growth stocks and they are putting it into value stocks. So that is what is happening, guys, and that's why we have seen quite a significant move recently into the markets. If you want a lot more information in depth on that, then I would recommend this video above. It is a clip of Kathy Wood which I have pre-recorded and put together for you guys, and it explains everything that's happening in the market right now with inflation, her thoughts and reactions on the stock market crash or correction, and how she's dealing with it and what she thinks is going to happen in the future. Now I want to go on to Yahoo Finance. We can see that they are actually quite a small company right now, only 113 million, and if we go into their financials, we can actually see that they have a total revenue right now of about 6 million. Last year they actually had 8, so they've actually gone down since last million, and they've gone down again since 2018. I think their last estimated cents per share was at minus 1 cent, so they have actually lost money. They're still not quite yet profitable. As you can see here, yeah, they are actually losing some money. So that is something that I just wanted to point out again, that this company does hold a lot of risk. It is more of a penny stock and it is quite speculative, but like it says on the website, they are in a current sold out state, and this product is going to be needed to be mined, and it is going to be in a growing compounded annual growth rate of 6.27%. And guys, that is over the next 6 years. So that is quite small. It's really not that great in my opinion. I think there's a lot of other stocks that you could potentially be putting your money in that are actually much greater than this. In context to what that other analyst said, we actually have some news here on market analysis insights to the global antimony ore market on MarketWatch, and it says that the global antimony ore market size is projected to reach a considerable rate during the market forecast period between 2021 and 2026. So by 2021, the antimony ore market is growing steadily, and with the growing number of opportunities of key players, the economy should rise above the horizon. So it is also kind of a push and pull. Which one do you believe? Again, it is all about kind of doing your research. For me right now, I'm still looking into this company. This is very early days, and I just wanted to share this video as I'm doing my research on this company with you guys, so you guys get a little bit of insight into how I'm doing it. So this is very interesting to me. There is a lot more work I need to do to understand exactly what this is, but I just wanted to share obviously some of the facts that I'm finding out right now about the company with you guys that are interested obviously in this video, which is why you would have clicked onto this. So I just wanted to get out as much as I can while I'm doing my research. I think that this is also a good way to show you how I am using tools, how I'm using Google, how I actually start to look through and break down stocks themselves, so that you guys on this channel will soon be able to learn, okay, how do I go about looking into a stock, what it is I'm looking for exactly, how to analyze the stock technically, and that's what I want you guys to be able to do, because I want you guys to be able to have, your own financial freedom. I want you guys to be able to be successful in the stock market. That is why I created this channel, and I really do hope that this helps. So if it does in any way help, then again, please hit that like button down below, and also hit that big subscribe button, and make sure you guys write down in the comments at the end of the video, because I love hearing from each and every one of you if you did find any of this information helpful at all, and again, if you are going to be buying into UAMY, or if you are holding UAMY, or if you're selling it, because I want to hear from you. What I can show you on the graph, that is just a little bit of background on that. If you would like me to do a greater in-depth video, from what I understand right now, then do let me know in the future down below in the comments. What I do understand is the fact that this is a growing company. They work with raw minerals and mining, and UAMY antimony is going to be needed. Basically, it's going to be needed in batteries, it's going to be needed in solar, and obviously the projection of EVs and solar is projected to go up over time, and by the years of 2050, I know that a lot of the world is expected to be fully electric. So this could be potentially a really good play if you are going to be holding this stock long for a long term. Now, if I actually come back onto the 1-day chart, you guys can actually see that we did actually have highs before, back in like 2015, 2014, where we were actually sitting around that $2 price range. We can also see on here that we have actually got some kind of layer of support here, which was tested about 5 to 6 years ago. Now, if I draw up on my TradingView charts again, just over here, I'm going to make this line here for you and then refiddle it, as you guys can see what I'm doing. We do actually have quite a nice layer of support sitting all the way here, which was tested back again in 21st of September 2018. So guys, this is a layer of support right now, and if I zoom into the charts and go back onto the 4-hour for you, you guys will be able to see, here we go, just zooming in for you guys, on here right now, that we are currently sitting and retesting that layer of support. So it's really funny, look, how, well, we also have it up here, look, I didn't even realize, in 2019 in October, guys, we also retested this layer of resistance, because the stock was underneath this time, so that's now called a resistance. And again, we did actually hit that resistance, and then again, sellers entered the market and they said, no, we don't like prices this high. And then again, you can see on the RSI, we are completely oversold, and then again, prices did come crashing back down. So that is what happened. Now, what happens when a stock breaks above a layer of resistance like this? Well, actually, once it retests back down, if it's broken above, then that becomes the floor. So this becomes a new layer of support, and rather than it acting as a ceiling so the stock cannot go higher, it actually acts as a floor. So once it hits the floor, it bounces back up and goes up. So that is what is happening right now with this stock. So if we come down here, you guys can see that we are actually in a place of support. So this potentially could be a good place for entry. And if you can see recently, we've actually tested this candlestick 3 times. So that would actually be a strong indication to me that we are in a layer of support. Also, we are almost touching that 200 on the SMA. And again, we are reaching signs of being oversold on the RSI, although we are in a slight downward pattern. Again, that is due to the market correction. So right now, if you are someone that is long on UAMY and you are looking to get in on an opportunity that could be potentially groundbreaking as this company starts to, you know, mine out those rare earth metals, which is going to be needed for the long term of making electric batteries, then this could be a really good play in your portfolio. I would never risk more than, you know, about 3% on a penny stock. This is a penny stock, guys, so don't make this, you know, a 10% position if you're going to be moving this into your portfolio. Again, this is not financial advice. These are just my views, thoughts and opinions, and it is just for education and entertainment only. So guys, that marks up what I'm saying here about UAMY. We can see also that we are actually below the 21 on the SMA, on the EMA, sorry, and we are actually above that 200 on the EMA. So if this 21 does actually cross below that 200 on the EMA and it comes down to go below that purple, then that would be signs to me that we are actually in a bear territory and we could actually have a further sell-off. So as long as that doesn't happen, then this could be a good place to enter the stock. We can also see on the Fibonacci level that we actually are around that 0.78% mark. So that would tell me that we are again in a more bear territory. We did actually start to consolidate around this 6.18 layer again, and then we did break down to that next layer, and you can see here that we are sitting on the 75% roughly on the Fibonacci. So again, that just goes to show me that this is another place for floor. The next layer that we would break down from here again would be the 100%. So the next layer of floor, in my opinion, would be that 80-cent mark. So I don't think it has got too much downside potential. If this was potentially to go below $1, then that could be a nice place for entry. So that would be a potential place that I'd be looking to get into this stock, and then maybe to start to you know, increase my position. So that is what I'm doing with UAMY. I hope that, again, you found this useful. If you are going to enter, do let me know below. I think that at these prices, it is actually quite attractive for the long run, and this could be a very interesting stock. Again, I will be doing more research. If you would like an update on UAMY and you would like me to do a further breakdown and go even more in depth, then please let me know in the comments below so I can get that video out to you. I just want to see how popular this video is first. If you did make it this far, I just want to say thank you. I appreciate you, and I really enjoy having you support the channel. And I hope to see you back on my channel for some more content soon. Smash that like button and smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. And guys, don't forget to have your cup of tea. I'll see you guys soon. Ciao.